Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Excel tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you how to lock your Excel worksheet without any stress. Let me show you how. Like for instance, this particular worksheet here is clickable. Okay, how can you lock it so that people will not be able to edit rows or color or any part of your Excel worksheet? So for that, what you need to do is to go ahead and make sure you come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on review. Under the review, go ahead and make sure you navigate to text sheets. And this is going to come up right here. Then you can assign the area you don't want people to work on. Like for instance, I don't want people to format the column and I don't want people to format the cell. So you can select as many as possible, and I don't want people to insert rules into this shell. Next thing we want to do is to come to the top right here. We want to make sure we enter the protected password. Then we go ahead and click on OK. And then you have to make sure you re-enter the password. If you lose or forgot the password, it cannot be recovered. It is advisable to keep a list of passwords and their corresponding workbook and sheet names in the safe place. Remember that password are case sensitive. So go ahead and retype your password right here. And go ahead and click on OK. Boom, you are done. So if anybody wants to tamper with your workbook, like for instance, they want to work on the column, this is going to come up right here. So you can see, go ahead and click on OK. And then if anybody wants to work on the row as well, this is going to pop up right here. The cell chart that you are trying to change is on a protected sheet. To make a change on protected sheet, you might be requested to enter password. Go ahead and click on. So this is always what is going to be popping up for anyone that wants to work on the document. Lastly, go ahead and make sure you come to the top right here and then go ahead and click on File. Then go ahead and click on Save As. Then browse your file destination. So I'm going to go ahead and save this in folder under my desktop right here. I will go ahead and save it right here, and I will call this shell protected password protected shell protected worksheet. Just like so, and I'll go ahead and make sure I click on save right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Microsoft Excel and security settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.